guys, nasa hop-in Davao kami. Ang alam ko ay nag-iisa lang yung hop-in sa Davao. So, let's do the room tour. So, first, itong kanilang CR. Ayun, naligo na ako guys. So, yung CR nila guys, you have your soap, you have your shampoo, tapos may hot water. Tapos on the side, meron kayong sink, may bidet, you have your own shower. Ayan, nag-towel ko. Tapos eto, basurahan. Wala silang sleepers. Tapos you have your full mirror here. Then, hanger, halagay ng hanger. Tapos ito yung kanilang bed. Side table, you have your control panels over there. Remote, towels, TV, napakasimple lang, very minimalist. Meron silang safe box, tapos meron kayong table, tapos one chair, tapos may socket, at may mga ano. And then, dalawang baso, taas ang kanilang view. Here is our view. Hello, Davao City! So, yan lang guys. Overall, this is the hop-in standard room. And later guys, ipapakita namin yung ibang rooms kasi nandun yung mga friends namin. So, yan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye!